9
is about 9 constituencies. Bono ndate banga bantu balenge gabwo especially barongo limete ngaranje teko somba chinkororo gochia sagochia limbe inoda gote banga batabu basagere chiku from all over.
Go prove what he said.
Can you prove?
Anyway, a point today
Substantiate your point.
not voters.
Substantiate your point.
By election na tuara jamaya or understanding crowds are not voters.
You've made a serious allegation. I want to engage you as a West Mogrango to be specific.
Yes.
You are alleging that West Mogrango were transported.
Yes.
By who?
Barongo.
How are they transported?
Roche chituraki chiregalia. Ngwa chiroche. Caravan. Ngwa chiroche.
Oh, chitruck.
Nechomba chi abagure chituraki chiri.
So chikabagure chitruck urabantu koralia.
Kama eta asibale kwabuli baronga asibaru
no nayo ko baronga tarale na
kwa kwera bantu bane mbalingo. Yes,
ba West Mugirango balingo mugutano lwe
bantu ba West Mugirango my voters mbalingo. And that is why I'm saying show ye teba about discussing ebintu bitali kokonyo mugusi.
You are a
Jubilee numbers
you are a Jubilee member of parliament.
We add value to abantu bali batochole
this one is
whether crowd inchiro or no kikigiriko konya abantu bali West Mugirango.
You cannot sit here mheshimiwa